First, we are going to talk about the learning objectives, word syllables, and comparative using short adjectives, and comparative using long adjectives. And we will practice some more examples about the comparative. Adjectives. Who can tell me? This word is, you want to describe this. This word is
Hard.
hard. Boring. Stressed. Impossible.
Exhausted? Very exhausted?
Exhausted. Yes, this man is exhausted.
Yeah.
The word is exhausting. Okay. We talked in the last session tiring, exhausting, and boring. Okay. This house is, I want adjectives.
It's refined.
Refined, very good. What else? Scary. Scary and frightening. And this is exciting, exciting, interesting, exciting, and thrilling. Okay, the syllables. Like the picture, each word has syllable, one syllable or two syllables or three syllables. Like this banana, it has how many syllables?
Three.
Three. And watermelon, how many syllables?
Four.
Four. Okay. How can we know that? How can we count the syllables? Let's watch the video. Okay, now we have a group word. We have some adjectives. We wanted to sort them in one syllable, two syllables, three, and four. Each group will take a sheet of paper. Okay, we have 2 minutes. Okay. We will make a peer review. Okay. Group A will review the answers of Group B. Okay, let's check together. One syllable. Yes, Group B, one. Good. Okay. Bad.
Far.
And group C. Yes, funny. And the four syllables. Enjoyable, comfortable, and interesting. Okay. Comparative. Let's take some more examples. A is bigger than B. Okay? This is one kind of comparative. A is bigger than B. And the taxi is more comfortable than the bus. And junk food is worse than healthy food. Okay? Why? Why here we put ER, and why here we put more than, and why here worse than? Who can tell me why? Syllables, maybe the syllables. What else? Let's check. Here, short adjective, long adjective, and irregular adjectives. So we have three groups now, three groups of adjectives. The short adjectives, and the long adjectives, and we have irregular adjectives. Let's say they are the bad boys. There are no rules.
Yeah.
Here, planes are faster than trains. Here, we put ER and than in the short adjectives. And in the long adjectives, we put more than. More before the adjective and than after that. Like, the taxi is more comfortable than the bus. And maybe we can say less, more or less. The bus is less comfortable than the taxi. And here for the irregular adjectives, we don't have any rules. Like good, we have to change it into better than, and bad, worse than, much and many, more, little, less, and far, farther, or further. Okay, let's recap one more time. We have three groups: the short adjective, the long adjective,
Not
and the
irregular
irregular
adjectives.
adjectives, or the bad boys. Let's say the bad boys because they don't follow any rules. Okay, how can we make the comparative here? What can we put in the short adjectives? ER, very good, and long adjectives,
More plus the adjective.
more than, and the irregular adjectives.
There is no rules.
No rules, we just memorize it. Let's talk about short adjectives in some details. The adjective plus ER and then. Let's see some examples. The adjective and the comparative. Tall, taller, very good. And strong, stronger. Easy,
Easier.
easier. And big,
Bigger.
bigger. And hot,
Hotter.
hotter. Okay. Let's focus something. Here we put ER, but here easy.
Higher.
Can you see the Y letter?
Yeah.
Where is the Y letter here?
Higher.
Yes, we omit
Change.
Y and put I, ER. If we have a consonant and plus the consonant Y, we remove Y and put IER. This is the first rule for the adjectives. And here, big, bigger. We double G because we have a vowel before G. Okay, double the consonant like big and hot. How can we ask a question? Who can ask a question about this, the car and the bike, and using the adjective big? How can we ask?
Which is
Yes?
Which one is bigger, the car or the bike?
Very good. Which one is bigger, the car or the bike? Which is bigger, or which one is bigger, the car or the bike? Who can answer? Very good. The car is bigger
the bike.
than the bike. And the long adjectives, we use more than. Japanese products are more expensive than Chinese ones, or we can say less than. If we change, we start with the Chinese products are less expensive than Chinese ones. Okay. And now for the long adjectives, we have some examples. Who can tell me difficult? How can we make a comparative?
More
Very good.
difficult.
More difficult than. And interesting.
more interesting
More
than
interesting than. And now how can we ask a question? Here, expensive is long adjective. Which one or which is more expensive? The car or the bike? How can we answer?
car.
Yes, the car is more expensive than the bike. And the irregular, the bad boys, as we call them, no rules. Let's recap. Good, better, and bad, worse. Little, less, and many or much, more. Very good. And far,
Farther.
farther, further. We finished. We have to write 10 sentences, 4 sentences using the short adjective, and 4 using the long, and 2 using the irregular. Okay? Okay, and we can do this activity. This is the last one. We can make questions using these words to make questions. Okay? And after that, I will correct and give you the feedback. Understand?
Yeah, it's really easy.
Thank you.